Okay, so this project is based on this Sample Superstore, which is from the GRIP task basically. It's for the GRIP internship task projects. So you can see that we have to perform this EDA on this data set, okay, and then as a business manager, we have to search for the weak areas where you can find for the profit, okay, and then we can see that we have to find all business problems here from the data, okay, and we can use Power BI. I'm gonna use this Power BI, and the data set is this one, okay. So let me show you the procedure. So here is the data set. You can see this one is the data set for the Sample Superstore. So let me show you the data set file here. This one is the data set. So you can see that here is the ship mode, segment column, country, city, state, and the postal code. So all of the things are here for this data set, which is a simple superstore project. Okay, so we're gonna make this out in the Power BI. So let me show you the project in Power BI. Okay, so now we're in the Power BI. You can see that I have just cleansing and make the data clear. Okay, and after cleansing the data, we can see that the table is here, the table view. You can see this table format. Now if you go back to the model view, so this one is the model for this project, a simple model here with these column names, okay. So let me go to the report for the dashboard from this project. If we go to this report view, okay, so this one is for the these sales and profits. This dashboard is based on the sales and profits, okay. So for the first chart is based on profit by category, you can see, okay. So this one is the highest technology is the 50% because it has the best profit for the category names, because the technology is the category. We have other categories as well, like office supplies here and furniture, okay. So which one is the best, which one is the most powerful category? You can see this technology has the category and it has the most profit, okay. And after this we have this profit by region, okay, which region has the most profit. You can see that from the west region has the most profit, okay. Sum of total sales is this 2.30 million, okay, and sum of profit is you can see that 286k, okay, and sum of quantity is 38k. So for the total quantity, this measure has been qualified. We have make this measure up from the data set, okay. So this one is profit by state and category. You can see the state and category in the United States. If we over on any item, you can see that the South Dakota furniture and it has this profit, okay. This profit is 193 7419, okay. So all these items are basically profit for this United States country, okay. And now if we go to this charts, this chart is based on sum of profit by ship mode and region, okay. You can see that ship mode and region, all things are here. You can see if you hover on this chart, ship mode is standard class and region is central, and for the measure sum of profit is this one, okay. Okay, so these all things are based on the sales and profit criteria. Okay, if we go to another dashboard, you can see this dashboard here, and it's based on highest and lowest sales. Okay, so you can see that profit and sales by state. The states names are here, and the sum of sales you can see. So this blue one is for the California, and sum of profit is this one, okay. And that dark blue is for the California as well. Sum of sale is this one, okay. So this is the total sum of profit and total sum of sales by the state, okay. So two things are here for them. So we can see that California has the most sales amounts, I mean most profit amounts and sales amount as well, okay. So average of profit is this one, 28.66, and average of sales is this one. And if you go to this chart, you can see that top 10 lower sales states is based on this one, and it's just calculating the sum of sales based on these states. Okay, so you can see there's New Mexico has the most sales here. Okay, this sales amount is 4783.52, and it's for the New Mexico. Okay, and the lowest one is this one. This one is North Dakota. Sum of sales is 919. So if you go to this chart, it's based on sum of sales, and for the sorry, for the sales of states. Okay, sum of sales by the states as well. Okay, so you can see that this one is the top for top 15 highest sales. Okay, top 15 highest sales. So which one is the top 15? This one is the top one. Okay, California is the top one. This state has the top sales, and this one is the lower sales. Okay, lower sales amount from the states. Okay, so New Mexico has the lower sales amount, and you can see that California has the highest sales amount. Okay, now if we go to another dashboard, we can see this chart here. This one is based on highest and lowest profits. Okay, so top states with higher profits, which one has the top higher profits with the states? So this one, California, has the top higher profits from the states. Okay, so this California state has the high profit basically. Okay, so now when the other things are other states are here as well, you can see. Okay, and just the minus Texas is the lowest amount of profits. Okay, which is minus 2579. Okay, if you go to this chart, this one is based on United States country, and you can see this by this is the sum of profit and sum of sales by the country, which is United States. This as you have only this country here. Okay, so this one has the total sum of profits, and this one has the total sum of sales. Okay. So for this chart, you can see the map here. Okay, and this map has all the states here. Okay, you can see all the states. If you hover on anyone, you can see the state names here. Okay, so now we can go to another dashboard here. If you can see that for this dashboard is based on discount by region. Okay, so you can click on any any region here. You can click on any types of region if you want to select. Okay, if you select like for the central region, then you can see that sales by segment is here. Sum of sales is this one, and consumer has the most sales here. Okay, yeah, this one has the most sum of sales and total sales. And if we go to this chart here, you can see that sum of sales and discount by category. Okay, technology and office supplies and furniture has three types of category. Okay, and the sum of sales, you can see that technology has this sum of sales. Okay, and the discount as well. Okay, and if you go to this region, which is central region, as we clicked on this central, so it's showing the region discount here. Okay, the discount is 558 for the central region, and the sales of the central region is 501239. Okay, and if you go to this chart, you can see the sum of profit and discount by the states. Okay, you can see all the states here and all the sum of profit and discount as well. Okay, so if you hover on any item, we can see that Indiana has this sum of profits, which is 18382.94, and the discount is 0 here. Okay, and if we go to this Michigan state, you can see that sum of profit is this one, and the discount is 1.80 here. So by all means, you can select any of the categories, any of the regions, and we can see that it's changing. Okay, the profit and the sales and the discount, all the things are changing with the based on this region basically. So this project is the Superstore project as for the internship of this grape. Okay, and I've made this out by this data set, which was this data set. Okay, and made this dashboard basically with the Power BI. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you very much, and please subscribe and share if you can. Thank you.